Hi guys, in this video I will share with you how to resize the picture quickly in Windows. Before watching the complete video, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon so you can receive the notification of our latest videos of our channel. I have two pictures in this folder and I will resize it one by one. Right click on picture, click on edit, click on resize tab. You can resize it in percentage and as well as pixels. I will resize it in pixels. Providing horizontal values. As you see, it is automatically adjusting the vertical values. I uncheck the maintain aspect ratio. Now it will not automatically place values in vertical field. Click on OK. You can see picture has been resized. Click on save button. Now we resize next picture for more clarification. Thank you for watching.